If you're looking to replace your pressure washer's gun, this one is fantastic. It does need to be compatible, of course, and this is where you are looking for that compatibility. Not all pressure washers are created equal. This one here is able to do water that is heated and all the way up to 3,600 PSI. So this is heavy duty, this is no doubt. You will be seeing some video. I do have a heavy duty, like industrial pressure washer at work, and we tested it. And I mean, it works fantastic because I mean, that's what it's built for. I really like this little add-on right here. This is kind of a safety tool because of course the nozzle, the gun will actually work just perfectly. But if I lock it, then no one. So if I just if I'm laying it down there and I don't want anyone to just grab it and maybe, just obviously use it inadvertently, then that's a really good thing because obviously the pressure coming out of this is intense. And it does come with the actual extender right here. So this is where you would add the nozzle. The nozzles are not included, but it will be compatible with most nozzles, and I will show you that in just a second. All you need to do is literally make sure that is tight and secure. You have two ways to tighten it up, from here and from the plastic side here. Then we're good to go. And I do have a nozzle right here, and these are quick release. And as you can see here, there is that quick release, so I can literally pop it in, and now it's not going anywhere. And when I want to change it, literally quick release and change the nozzle for this. Heavy duty, again, I keep on saying the word because it is true. If you know pressure washers, usually we're not too kind with them. You kind of throw this around, walk all over them. This can take a beating, and these ones, this one is very, very cool. I love the fact that it can do such PSI, such high level PSI, and also water heating. Pfft, incredible.